Hi there, this is Rupesh, and welcome to my review of Jonathan Montoya's 5K Sprint in 90 Days program. What they don't show you. I signed up for this program, so in this video, I am going to show you all my results, the good, the bad, and in the end of the video, I'm also going to give you my verdict on whether I recommend this program or not. So stick around for that. All right, so before we talk about the actual Jonathan Montoya program, I just want to talk a bit about myself. If it's the first time that you're checking out this video, a very warm welcome to you. I came from the health field environment. I suffered a significant hearing loss while doing my day job. I even had to wear a hearing aid in my one and only good ear. Hearing was never the same. And at that point in time, I thought to myself, I needed a backup plan. And that's when I searched for different ways to making money. And I came into the online space. And fast forward today, yeah, I am speaking to you. Now, this is what prompted me to sign up with Jonathan's program because when he was doing the launch videos and I was watching his YouTube launch video, I asked him a question. I asked him, is this program perfectly suited for somebody who is in a 9 to 5 job, who's got not much time on their hands and they have commitments elsewhere? Is this program suited for them? And he said, yes, there's no complicated funnels. You don't have to do any ads. So I said, let me jump into this program myself and pay for it and see exactly what it's all about so that I can make this video and show you what it's all about. So you can make an informed decision. You'll see the good parts, the bad parts about the program, and then you can make an informed decision. Right, so let's get started. What is the 5K sprint all about? Jonathan Montoya's 5K sprint in 90 days is simply a program that's designed to help you make $5,000 in affiliate commissions within a 90-day time frame. So what do you get in this program? Well, first of all, you get access to monthly, I think it's weekly coaching calls. Then you get access to a monthly coaching call with Jonathan Montoya himself. You get access to a private group. And I think there's so much of value in this. I've made a lot of good friends, a lot of things I've learned about online business and affiliate marketing. And I've been in the space for such a long time. So I think that alone is so much of value. You get access to a marketing tool, a content creator tool that Jonathan has created himself. He recently launched this tool, and I tell you, it's amazing. You can see how quick it is to create content. And of course, you get access to some proven affiliate offers that you can choose to market. These are high ticket offers to help you to, of course, reach your income goals much more quicker. So the strategy is simply one platform, one goal. You don't do any complicated funnels. It's no ads that are involved, and you don't have to do any email marketing. It's simply about learning how to create content on your social media platform, engaging with the people, building relationships, and selling once you've got solid relationships that are built. That's simply how it works. No tech skills involved. It's all about showing up consistently like any other business. So let me show you the sales page. Let me show you a sneak peek into the program, and then we'll talk about some of the pros and cons about this program. Okay, so here we are inside the first 5K online in 90-day program back office. So I just want to show you a quick teaser into the program. This is the introductory video by Mr. Jonathan Montoya, where he welcomes you to the first 5K online 90-day sprint. You get access to the private community. These are all the modules that I've been through. And as you go through, you just click on there. There's a lot of resources at the bottom depending on the program that you do. So here's the beginning. Then you get pre-sprint trainings. This is before you jump into the actual program. Then this is where you really start learning what to do And this is where you get to choose some of the offers, the high ticket offers that they give to you to help you to reach your income goals. And Jonathan talks about the platform which he recommends you use for this program to reach your income goals, and how to use the platform, your marketing messages, how to set up your profile funnel. And this one here is pretty cool, creating thread posts and using AI, amazing stuff there. And then mastering your hooks, the art of storytelling, and then of course direct messaging. So that in a nutshell is a sneak peek into the actual first 5K online program. Okay, so now I want to talk to you about some of the things that they don't mention to you when you're signing up to this program, or if you're thinking of signing up to this program. Right, there are, say, maybe 5 challenges. The first challenge is, early on I said to you that you need to dedicate maybe an hour to this business after your work, and that's great. The minimum of an hour is fine. But from my experience, I would say that if you can, maybe make it maybe a little bit more, because it will make your life much more easier to batch content. I mean, to batch create your content. It makes things so much easier. The other challenge is, it's at the end of the day a business where you're building relationships with other people. And what they don't tell you is that it's about engaging, but more than engaging, sometimes it's about reaching out to others. And this can initially, it can feel awkward, it can feel intimidating, and sometimes, in fact, many times you're going to get people that might refuse you, but don't let this get you down, because it's all about pushing forward, and it's all about being there for the people out there and putting their needs first. It might feel uncomfortable there too initially, but it will be worth it at the end of the day. The other thing is that when I saw the kind of content that people are creating, I was just blown away, because I said to myself, how can I do that sort of thing? So you'll end up comparing yourself to others. The challenge is not to let it bring you down, and just realize that you know what, you are just in the beginning phase of this business, and they were there at that point as well. Learn from them, but don't bring yourself down and feel that you're not capable of getting to that point. The other thing is content creation. I mentioned early on valuable content creation. What does this really mean? Look, Montoya is going to give you a tool that's going to help you to create AI content. That's great. But what they don't tell you is that you also will have to be creative on your own. Do things like maybe storytelling and then learn graphic content creation. It's all easy things to learn. You will find a way around it, but these are skills that will pay off in the long run. So it's worth your while learning these sort of things. I've also put a link in the video description where there's a cool AI tool where you can use to create reels. It works really well. Check it out. And then the other challenge is, of course, managing your multiple assets. Now, I'm not sure where you are in this field of, or in this phase of online business building, but I have multiple assets that I'm building. And what they don't tell you is that you need to put your focus on this challenge. If you, like me, you got your YouTube channel, you got your websites, you got other social media, you got email marketing, it can be quite a challenge to focus just on this challenge. But I don't think that will be a big problem for you, because if you're just starting off, your focus will be just on the challenge, and I think you'll be okay. Now, let's talk about some of the good things about this program. Okay, so now let's talk about the good parts about this program. First thing is that the community is real. There's so much of engagement going on. There's so many things that you learn from the community here. And I think this helps a lot for the second thing, which is to build your social media accounts, to help your accounts get traction. And I've never ever seen my social media account like this growing so amazing and getting a lot of people reaching out to me. I won't lie to you, I have not made that 5K goal as yet. As I said, I'm still only a month into it. However, I must tell you that I have seen somebody from my country make $1,200 using the strategy, so I'm quite excited that the other members, myself included, will definitely make money with this program. And just keep watching my channel for any updates when I do that. The other thing is that the simplicity of the program, one offer, one strategy, and one goal. That's it. No ads, no complicated stuff, no technical stuff. That's what I like about this program. Now, next up, I'm going to talk about, in the closing section of this video, whether this program is for you or not. Alright, so now let's end off on the last question. Is this program the right program? Is Jonathan Montoya's 5K sprint in 90 days the right program for you? It's a right program for you if you are somebody who is, number one, if you've got a full-time job, or maybe you want something that's flexible. Number two, if you are someone who is willing to commit at least 1 or 2 hours a day for the next 90 days. If you are someone who does not want to show their face on camera, or you don't want to do YouTubes, this will be a nice program for you. If you are somebody who wants something that is a simple, proven strategy and not some course where you're going to have to figure out something all by yourself. If you are somebody who is genuine and want to really help someone out there without being pushy, then this is the right course for you. And if you are somebody who is coachable and who is ready to take the step, then this is the right course for you. So this is my review on the 5K sprint in 90 days. Do I think it's a good investment? I'll be honest with you. Like I said, after so many years of doing online marketing, affiliate marketing, and all of that sort of things, I'm still learning so much from this program. And I love to learn from people who are experienced, from people who are already made that sort of income. And I don't know if you've joined any of Jonathan's programs, but this is my first time, I think, that I'm joining him. But I've read a lot about his other programs, and I have a lot of friends who have joined these other programs and they've seen amazing results. And he's got the results. He's got the proof that whatever he teaches works. When you have a look at the sales page, you'll see that this 5K program is just a start for him building a relationship with you. He says straight in this video that he wants to help you get to 5K, and then after that, he wants you to come into his other groups where he shows you all the other things that he's doing. So it's only about evolving, and I think this is a right space to be, especially if you are somebody who wants a solid point into getting started in the online world. I think this is a great point to get started. I have put the link to Jonathan Montoya's 5K sprint. Click on the link that is in the video description to get started with the 5K sprint, and I will see you inside there. Looking forward to welcoming you to the sprint, and let's make a difference together. Thanks so much for checking out this 5K sprint video review. I hope that is helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it below, and I'll definitely get back to you.